How to verify your blockchain.com account. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to verify your blockchain.com account. So to verify your account, you have to first of all log in, and when you're logged into your account, go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. As you do that, on the other field, you just have to go ahead and click on the verify button, and it's going to take you to this page. So first thing, go ahead and select the country of your residence. Moving on, you need to go ahead and enter your personal details. That includes entering your first name, last name, date of birth, and then the address, and click the continue button. As you've done that, it's going to take you to this field where you have to go ahead and submit the document. It could either be your national ID or passport or valid driving license, whatever. Select one of it and click the continue button. On the other field, you have to go ahead and take a picture, you have to provide in the information of the documents, all of that, and you'll be receiving a notification, something like this, stating that you've successfully verified your account and now you're eligible to use or unlock some of the features. So that is how you could go ahead and verify your blockchain.com account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.